What going people? Big up on yourself again. Welcome back to the channel. Different video. So I'm not in Negril today. I'm actually at Sweet River. We are shooting a music video. So the artist over there, so Mr. Black T. I don't know what's I the videographer, video editor, but not that I do another one. I play one nice little role. Boyfriend too. Oh, can't show now. I have to wait for the music video. I think somebody should hide from. She's supposed to spit out both. Let me catch. Hi, miss.
Hello.
I'm a girlfriend, but I don't know her name. What's your name?
Crystal.
So yes, so I'm gonna have to go check out Black T channel. But to know how we do, before I go into the details, I will get some visuals and then we do the visuals.
What's going on in here? Proposal of one. So yes, people, newlyweds, we're here to do their photo shoot. engagement photo shoot. Don't worry about the white shirt, it's gonna change soon. So all the ladies on YouTube who wanted Akeem Lawrence, you're too late.
No.
You see this pretty face? How can you compete against? Look up, Christian. How can you compete?
It's work. It's work. We're shooting a music video. She's taken. She has a boyfriend, alright?
Oh, so she one of them who can't get a kiss. Yeah, she'll get a fist.
We're looking at the lingerie. We're talking about.
Look at the camera, Crystal, and look straight into my eye and tell me, say you can't take a kiss and get a fist. Come, look at the camera.
We're talking about lingerie.
What's up?
So what kind of occasion do I wanna go for?
Oh, that like one of the
regular put on, go sleep.
Right, thank you. Have on.
Alright, sell them on camera, ready?
Right. I'm still on camera. Alright, so for all your lingeries, handcuffs and more.
Handcuff?
Yes, handcuffs. And you know, we're just getting into it now, so you can follow Silk and Thrills on Instagram.
Hold on. I have some question. What is a handcuff?
Yes, handcuffs.
I want to ask what inspired this whole lingerie thing. Why lingerie and not anything else?
Because I like lingerie.
Okay. And the
And
cups?
it's not really like the nice ones are not really found in store.
But you have the nice ones.
Right.
Okay, good. I can get a pair of handcuffs?
Yeah, sure.
You have nothing can show
No, I
me?
don't have any handcuffs right now.
So
I have
as soon
the,
as me get
pictures like the black. I have black, red, and pink.
see.
So only you don't know whip?
Not yet.
So all them things are not. Alright, here we go. Time for shoot music video, guys.
Yeah.
We have some light. So,
Yeah, and make people them know. Richard Brown Films. I raise the man behind the camera, not behind the scene, behind the camera. Yeah, and you know if you find the thing them Black Tea,
oh, get this clear enough.
Vivo,
Get this
one
clear.
word.
I thumbnail this.
Alright.
Set up the thumbnail. So pose to them. Hold that in there.
Actually, Shannon, don't whip on now. When you carry the
Alright.
paddle, what's your name? What's your name, Akeem? Paddle.
I know, remember say celebrate. So we talk to Black Tea a little bit.
Alright.
Miss.
Yes, celebrate.
I want to interview again.
So, what kind of music we are shoot today? Because we have me shoot all kind of scene.
Alright. Today we are film a movie.
You wanna effect man, there's a movie,
Richard. It's a music video, but we are doing it like a movie.
Yeah, man.
Yeah,
So
so
that
this
full
one
of
is
B-roll.
called Paramore. And if you want to meaning for that, well, yes, I guess. Well,
So,
you can go Google it, but
that scene we are shoot over there. Abandoned.
stay tuned and look out for it if you want to meaning of
What?
Paramore here, because
Yeah.
a real story we are singing about.
So you see paper, set up everything, get back to the artist. So yes, no, my G.
Yeah, so I make them know say a real life movie thing we are singing. You see me, we just put it in a movie. In a music video, rather.
Alright.
Yeah. So Paramore, look out for it.
Subscribe, make sure you
Yeah,
subscribe.
a nice girl here. She am a woman. But I don't know how this makes sense now. They
No,
know.
Shannon, woman, but you're bra for next man, woman.
No, but see the man here, what him a do here, so him not fit there, so I don't understand.
Don't cry, guys.
Now we get into the video. Now we get into the video.
Alright, Black Tea, with your piece you could on the right on the bridge right there, so. Yeah man, you could have slung on the bridge you there with your foot hang off. Like right on the bridge over there, so I think that's on top. Akim, you go film me. Go in the water and shoot for in the water.
Me I go in the water?
Yeah man, and shoot it for in the water.
Alright.
No, you sit down on the bridge and hang off. Like you know, you want to look nice. It's why you and a girl is on the bridge. Yeah man, right
So me when she just cheat pan me must shoot she and her new man pan the bridge.
The disrespect.
So from which part we shoot the first scene? The first set of video them for this.
Welcome.
Welcome.
It's called Welcome and it's really welcome because it's so far.
Welcome to the end of Jamaica.
So we shoot the first part of the video up by Welcome. That's how them have me pose as people, boyfriend, get bun and all them kind of stuff.
Yo, Black Tea.
And then final section of it.
Outside, I believe.
Well, take some bridge shot, river shot, I know, abandoned place, and then from here we go back on the grill?
Yes.
Oh, we have to go on the
We're
grill
going to
first.
sleep
Get
in
the
the grill.
laptop and well, I'm already locked down, but
Oh, yes,
yeah,
before-
beer work, movie making, video, music video thing, and I'm gonna try go check out Black Tea channel now. See him over there, so. It's alright, we spell it for them. We spell it phone up on the somewhere point, so yeah, Black Tea. Morning people, big up on yourself, thanks for sticking around. So I'm back in the grill now guys, and I'm over by the golf course doing some jogging, some push-ups, working on the cardio, triceps, chest muscles. Yep, thanks for sticking around. Did the whole music video thing yesterday. Definitely go and check out Black Tea's channel. He's a really passionate artist in my humble opinion. And Crystal, definitely go and check out her Instagram. Tell them see I'm sending you over there. You see me? And you know, check out them lingerie, check out Black Tea music, support them and all that good stuff. So yep, over by the golf course, early morning, exercising, cardio, chest, tricep, biceps, all of that life. So for the remainder of the day, I think I'm just going to work on some edits. Because you know me, guy with the camera all the time, every time. Yeah. So yeah guys, big up on yourself as usual. Thanks for tuning, thanks for the support. You make it this far, leave a like on the video, and if this is the first time here and you made it this far, definitely subscribe. Think I'm going to go jog some more, and then that's it. I shall see you in the next video very soon. Later. 1 sir, 2 sir, 3 sir, 4 sir, 5 sir, 6 sir, 7 sir, 8 sir, 9 sir, 10 sir. Makes you a better police officer when you say the SARS. Jaja.